What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yusuf Alias, and for the last decade plus, I've been working on creating ads for customers so they can get more customers. Now, the biggest misconception about paid ads is following what the platform recommends. For example, if you just boost a post and you don't actually set it up correctly, you're not going to get the best results, but the platform is going to get your money and not give you anything. If you don't set up your creatives the right way, or if you follow their suggestions, like I'm about to show you right here, you're not going to get the best results. Okay. So, here, let me pull out the curtain on what I'm doing right here because I think this is going to be an immense value for anybody who is building advertisements. Okay. Now, I just want you to know like something right here. It's all about the creative. If your ads are not working, it's because of the creative. And there is more to it, like complex stuff like, the back end, the pixel, and whatever, the funnel. But mainly, if your creatives is not there, if you're following the suggested advice right here that's created with the AI, I mean, the AI created based on what I have already created. So this is pretty good. It has a hook, which is what you're supposed to have. You're supposed to have a hook. You're supposed to have benefits and your offer. And at the end of it is also your offer and call to action, right? Like click here, click the learn more, click the learn more right there. Gonna squeeze in kind of like a call to action, right? To grab this one-time offer. And then kind of like end it with, book your free case study, right? So you want to kind of give them the offer right there, give them a case for view, and then the link, the headline is also something you want to, not go with the recommended or the advantage creatives. Don't choose advantage settings for anything, okay? Right here, we're going to do limited time offer as well as a scarcity. And then we said we're going to do learn more. Next to the media. Now, the media, it's preferably to be a reel, like a video of someone describing to someone else what this is all about. In this case, we're just going to use a picture because we already have a video going on. And what we're going to do is we're going to create different variations of this, right? And then we're going to create lifestyle images. We're going to keep the headline the same. The creative, you can add different variations to get different outcomes, but the writing is going to stay the same. Okay, I'm going to do a done right there. Now we have different variations of that picture, and it is going to come out as a reel because it's updated, right? So it updates as a reel as well, and then we're just going to go ahead and publish it. And we're not, in this campaign, we're not testing on the ad set level. We're testing on the campaign level. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate our campaign right there. So we're going to duplicate it, and we're never going to use advantage audience. Guys, this main video is created so you're not using advantage audience. You want to use your own audience. You want to do it. So this is number 2, optimize audience number 2. And what we went ahead and did, we're doing $50 a day on this one. We're generating leads, right? And it's going to be from our website. Now, it's very important as well to make this work. You need to have your pixel set up and your conversion API. I'm probably going to make another video about setting up the conversion API because it's very complicated, and you have to have something like Kinji to send event data back to the ad account so you can set up um, the conversion API. Okay, so the conversion API is kind of like, it's the pixel tells tells Facebook, hey, someone signed up and filled out the form and all that. The conversion API is like confirming that event did happen. And with those two in place, you get cheaper cost per lead and a lot better advertising that are optimized. So as you can see here, there's another use advantage audience. We're not going to use advantage audience in this example as well. We're using people that look like the people that they close deals with the prospect. So we have a lookalike audience of about 5 million people of potential audience that look like the people that close the deal with our clients. So if you have a list of audience that you can use to give it to Facebook and be like, hey Facebook, look, target all the people that look like my clients, you could do that. And you have if you have an expert on your team like myself who's been doing this for over a decade, you can do that easily and target the right people. The interest, we're gonna leave the interest open. In our new ad though, since we have a new ad created, we're going to change the creative. We're going to change this into a video, and we're going to keep the contact the same. I mean, sometimes I change stuff, but we're going to change this into a video. And just like that, we have a phase 2 campaign ready to go. We're just going to do recommended on this one.
I was drowning in a $27,000 tax debt. That was me last year. Sleepless nights, constant anxiety, and those dreaded IRS letters.
We good on that one. We're going to go ahead and do this one. Now, one pro tip for you guys, if you're testing, right, and you want to know, okay, well, how about I split the placement? The advantage placement is also not my favorite, so we're going to go ahead and do manual placement, and we're only going to place these ads on Facebook and Instagram. Sometimes if I'm looking for a better audience, I'm going with just Facebook. Okay, so I'm deleting Instagram because a lot of Instagram folks are not as serious sometimes as because here's the thing. You have 500 people to target regardless. You have a budget, you have a CPM. So if you're being selective where you want to place your ads, that's totally okay with me, and it's always been a good step that I've been able to take. Okay, so that's fine. Sometimes, though, if you don't want to target iPhone users or you don't want to target Android users, for example, you can just target the device that you want to target, right? And that's something huge as well. I've done it multiple times where we target just iPhone users if we're looking for better quality leads. All right, now that we have our video, we're ready to publish, and we have another version of this ad, and we can test to see if optimize number 2. So we got number 2 right there, and then we got number 1. So we got 2 campaigns right there, and then we have our previous campaign that was running. We're just gonna go ahead and put it on, let's say $10 right now. That's how you edit the how much you're spending. And then since we have another campaigns right there, we're just gonna change the price on this one to 50. And preferably, you want to spread out your budget on multiple campaigns and test campaign level wise than ad set level wise or on the ads level side, right? Because a lot of people, what they do is they test here. They create multiple variation of the ads targeting the same people. I rather create multiple campaigns targeting different kind of people with different kind of creative. Everyone has their own style, different people, different styles. Sometimes I switch my style and I test. Like, let's say I find a good campaign with the good targeting, good ads, I start testing on the ad set level. So I like my audience, so I keep duplicating my audience, but I change my creative on the same audience, and so that's why I duplicate on the ad set level. Guys, I hope this was informative. I've been doing this for over 10 years and I'm still learning new stuff every day. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and comment down below. Hit a subscribe button if you want to learn more about ads, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace out.